Yes, damaged garage door panels can be repaired or replaced, depending on the severity. In Panama City, Florida, this is a common concern due to weather and usage. Let's explore when to repair or replace. What are garage door panels? Garage door panels are horizontal sections connected by hinges, tracks, and rollers. Damage can range from dents to severe structural issues over time. Common causes of damage. Frequent culprits include vehicle impacts, harsh weather, especially in Panama City, aging materials, and poor maintenance practices. Early warning signs. Look for visible dents, panel gaps, uneven door motion, or odd noises. These signs often indicate panel misalignment or weakening. Repair versus replacement. Minor issues can often be repaired, like dents or alignment. Severe rust, multiple damaged panels, or structural compromise usually requires replacement. Matching panels. Finding matching replacement panels, especially for older garage doors, can be difficult. Professionals help with sourcing or custom solutions. Importance of maintenance. Regular maintenance is key. Panama City's salty air can speed up deterioration. Inspect, lubricate, and schedule professional checks often. Leave it to the experts. Garage door repair involves heavy, complex systems. Avoid DIY risks. Call a qualified garage door repair professional in Panama City for safe, lasting solutions.